If you want Grammarly to check your writing in the right version of English, this tutorial will show you exactly how to change your Grammarly language preference in just a few steps. Whether you write in American English, British English, Indian English, Canadian English, or Australian English, setting the correct preference helps Grammarly give you more accurate suggestions and better grammar corrections. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Grammarly.com, then sign in to your Grammarly account. Once you're inside, look for your account settings. This is where Grammarly keeps all of your personal preferences and writing options. After that, go to the writing section. In this area, you'll find the settings that control how Grammarly reviews your text. Now look for language preference. This is the key option you need to change because it tells Grammarly which English variant to use when checking your writing. Click on the language preference menu and then choose the English option that matches your style of writing. For example, if you want Grammarly to use American spelling and punctuation, select American English. If you prefer words like color and organize, choose British English. You can also pick Indian English, Canadian English, or Australian English depending on what you need. Once you've made your selection, save the change if Grammarly asks you to confirm it. In many cases, the setting updates right away, but it's always a good idea to make sure the preference has been applied correctly. After that, Grammarly will begin using your selected English preference whenever it checks your writing. That means your suggestions should better match the spelling, grammar, and style conventions you actually want to use. This is especially useful if you write professional content, school assignments, blog posts, emails, or documents for a specific region. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Grammarly language preference. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in the accuracy of your writing suggestions. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Grammarly tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.